Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, we've got a bit of a lull in the action earlier this afternoon, especially right about 3, 4 o'clock here at the station. We had everything from rain changed over to hail. We had some grapple, which is sort of like a soft, snowy ice, and even some light snow showers move on through. Now, that's what we're going to be watching for as we go overnight tonight. All of the rain showers you see out there, the Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweep switching over, or at least attempting to switch over to snow. Now, it is happening as you get over into the Coast Range, and certainly as you get up into the foothills of the Cascades, but you see right along the valley here across the I-5, still falling as rain. We're going to watch the temperatures tonight, too. There's still lots of moisture coming in off the ocean, lots of cold air filling in as well, and that is going to continue to keep things very, very dicey as we go into your morning commute. Here's some of the snow reports, roadside snow that we picked up. Tombstone, they got about 6 inches today, 30 on the roadside. Santiam Pass about 5 inches. Willamette Pass around a half a foot there. You can see Sisters got 8 inches. They've got 12 inches of roadside snow. Our own Lauren Michler out there earlier today up towards Willamette Pass had to go up in the plow because you can't get up there with the roads. Now, we'll likely start to see that improve some tomorrow, but there's more heavy snow coming as we head in towards midweek. I'll get into that in 7 days in a second. Right now, we still have the winter storm warnings as you get up into the northern end of the Cascades here. All of the white shading across the valley down to the Umpqua is the winter weather advisories. They kick in anywhere from around 8 o'clock tonight for the folks down in Douglas County. Midnight as you go overnight, headed northward up the I-5. And the temperatures are what we're watching very carefully. We're holding at 35 right now in Eugene and Cottage Grove, 36 down in Roseburg, 20 on top of the pass, 26 out in Bend, and low 40s out to the coast. So you get into the Coast Range, things switch over, switches back. But as we go overnight tonight, we slowly drop the temperatures. I'm going to keep everything right around freezing. And so where we do happen to get temperatures that drop below freezing, we could be looking at some slippery roadways too, as that cold air just kind of spills on in. Now we've got another system out to the west here that's going to bring some heavy rain and snow, but that one's going to be a little warmer. So what we're watching as we go overnight tonight into tomorrow is that chance for some snow showers to make it down to the valley floor. Heavy bursts of rain will change over into snow and pull that down to the valley floor. Now, a lot of it isn't going to accumulate until you get up into the foothills, and we probably won't see much of it stick, but it still could be a cool little burst of snow down to the valley floor here as we go early tomorrow. And unfortunately, it looks like it may be impacting right between about 5 to 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. So our morning commute may be an issue with that as well. You get into the foothills, that's when we're talking about accumulating snow right around 1 to 3 inches in the valley foothills, 4 to 8 in the foothills into the Cascades and the passes. Once again, could see an additional half a foot to a foot of snow by late tomorrow afternoon. So showers expected out to the coast. You get into the Coast Range here, you're going to be dealing with some snowy conditions as well. Kind of a windy, very blustery day Wednesday into Thursday, and then more scattered wet weather, but at least won't be very heavy as we get into the weekend. Morning isolated snow showers at the Umpqua. Temperatures in the upper 30s tomorrow. We'll be back to rain and lots of it on Wednesday and Thursday. In the Cascades, snow around 6 to 12 inches at times. We'll be looking at temperatures in the low 20s. Bend and Redmond, highs only around 30 tomorrow, and we'll see a chance for snow showers and pretty slippery conditions for the overnight lows as well, and a wintry mix at times in the valley. More snow expected earlier in the morning than in the afternoon, and I'll switch back over to rain. Just kind of a really messy, wild week of weather coming for us, guys. A lot to talk about.
All right, thanks, Justin.
You bet.